Yo guys, so I found something absolutely unreal here, guys. So I basically found out how to get the Google Play Store on iOS devices, guys. So you could literally get the Play Store on iPhone, all iPhones, even all iPads, guys. It's actually crazy. So you can literally access the Google Play Store on your iPhone using this method, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. It's actually almost like comedic, like that you can literally get any Google Play Store app now, any Android app on your iPhone device, any iOS device for that matter, using this, guys. It's super easy to do. Literally anybody can do it. So as you guys can see, I can literally just get any apps, Google app, any Play Store app on my device. I can log into my Google Play Store account, access it, access the settings and everything, guys. Get all the games, all the apps, everything. Literally, it's actually unreal. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you guys can do this as well, and how you guys can get Play Store on your iOS device as well. This is super easy to do, guys. Any iPhone or iPad this works on, any version of iOS that you're on, it works on. Like I got on my iPhone 15 Pro, I'm on the latest version of iOS, and I've got this running flawlessly, guys. It absolutely runs beautifully, and like I said, you can literally get any Play Store app on your device. So let me show you guys how to do this. And how it works. So basically what it is, it's called Play Store Plus Plus, and it's basically, I don't know how the developers pulled this off, but it basically is like an emulator for the Play Store, for the Google Play Store on any iOS device, guys. So yeah, you can get any Play Store apps on your iOS device, any Google apps on any iOS device, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how this is done and how you guys can do it as well. It takes 2 minutes to set up, guys. You don't need a computer or anything like that. You don't need to connect your phone to your computer. You don't need to modify your device in any way, shape, or form. You can do this straight off your phone, just using your browser, or your iPad, just using your browser and an internet connection. So let me show you guys how to do this. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to pop open your browser and you want to head on over to here. Okay, so just get this typed into your browsers, guys. You want to hit the go button, and then you want to just search for Play Store. Play Store. Ah, okay, there it is. Play Store. So there it is, guys. Play Store. And basically, you want to just so there it is. Get Play Store for all iOS and Android devices. So basically, what you want to do is you want to just tap on this, and you want to hit the start button. Now, once you hit the start button, it's going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. Now, once that bar is finished, it's going to take you to the setup wizard. Now, basically what the devs did is they hid the files for the Play Store app within these apps on the App Store, and basically when you get these apps and do exactly what their instructions say to do, it'll initiate a file transfer to your device for all the files for the Play Store Plus Plus app. Now, within a few minutes, the app will load on your device. If it doesn't load within a few minutes, you need to go back, do more of the apps, and do exactly what the instructions say to do. Okay, guys? So basically, like I said, you just hit the start button right here, and once you hit that button, it'll take you to the wizard. And basically want to just, honestly, what I recommend is you just get all the apps, guys. Do all of the apps in the wizard and do exactly what the instructions say to do. So just get all the apps and do all the apps instructions exactly as it says. Just be patient with it. Take your time. Don't rush through the steps. You guys should be good to go. It'll load within a few minutes. Okay, if it doesn't, like I said, you need to go back, do more of the apps, or just honestly do all of the apps and do exactly what their instructions say to do. Don't rush through it. Okay, guys? So thanks for watching. That's how to get Play Store on iOS and iPhone and iPad, and get Google Play Store apps on your iPhone or your iPad or whichever iOS device you're on. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you guys out.